This is my first YouTube video with voice, and it's for my new tool called Codict. So here is my new tool, Codict. I created this framework for source code assessment, programming language, references, methods, and their usage. Earlier I used to search for a particular language function methods on Google, then I need to refer to its documentation, then after that I need to go GitHub or Stack Overflow for its usage. Even after that, I need to refer to my source code. After referring to source code, I need to you know run similar code snippets to create the same effect as like the original code. For that, I need to install different compilers, interpreters for a particular language. So right now you don't need to take care of all of these extra work. Codic can give you that everything on a single web page. So let's move on to few examples. We'll be doing some examples how we can use it for doing a source code assessment. And so let's try a source code assessment example. I've copied this code from one of the challenge from overthewire.org, and I'm quite new to PHP. I don't know the function usage and their I don't know anything specific about that function which is going to be used in PHP code. So here's the thing. For example, if I want to know what does this function do, I'll go here, choose my language PHP, and then just type into hex. So here's the code definition, usage, and here's the example from the GitHub. You can see how the developers are using it. So here's the thing, and you can type your code here and play around with it. So here's the first example of source code. Then let's search one more function, array key exists. Here we have the function usage, so we can use it. Here's the one example. The second example is going to be, so the next example for the source code assessment is just a normal Python script which is used for reverse shell. So as a newbie, you don't know what kind of function it's using, what they mean to the system and the programming. So let's start with the socket dot function. So we'll search socket. Here's the definition. Sorry for my network speed, but here's the definition, and here's the code which developer are using. So here's the thing. Okay, so let's move to the next function. Next function is, I think we are subprocess. We're going to refer subprocess, os.do. Here it is. So quickly we have sorry for the network speed, but here it is. os.t usage, and you can play around with os on this. It's a code interpreter provided by Repl.it. Next thing we are going to see subprocess.call. Let's see subprocess call. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so changes, let me see. Yeah, we have code. So that's all from code assessment side. Codict can really help you in learning programming language also. For example, right now I'm learning JavaScript, and I'm very confused in using for loop, for in or for roof, especially while passing the objects and JSON data. So it could really help you. Here's the thing, for in, so it can tell you where to use and where to use what kind of for loop. So here's the example from the Mozilla Developer Network. Let's see for off. So here's the thing. So you can learn programming language, learn about the function methods. Right now it has 5 languages: PHP, Python, Java, and JavaScript, Node.js. I'll be adding more programming language in future. So please subscribe this channel, like this video. That's all.